baby, tell me why. Okay.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I feel good. But it's been a while since that happened, knock on wood. I try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me, yeah you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple. Of hours is not enough. So kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple of hours away from love. So kiss me again and again and again. You give me goosebumps.
Looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no.
I don't understand what he's saying. He doesn't understand because he's Kuya Ma.
I need something fast.
7 na siya.
I need something to last.
Kuya, ikaw win. Kuya,
Give satisfaction.
Na, mura mo nagmanghot sa uwin o
mag-grade 1 na siya ngayon. What? He knows it!
Right arm.
What? He's already been
Me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me interrogate him. How big is your love? Tell me how high is your patience? Or can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love?
Sa'yo na. Kayo na yan? First tense ka? Hindi ka kibog ya. Ako yan.
unsa man ang nagundo ng video niya, di ka mo lyrics sa sound. Come on. Alam mo eh.
Like heaven and Jesus and the saints and all the prophets.
Kita na. Tanawa kay mo sa agdag. Masa tadapit rin.
Why I said that we should be